Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download The Handmaid's Tale on Hulu for offline viewing. Whether you're on a trip or just want to watch the show without an internet connection, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Option 1. Download The Handmaid's Tale on Hulu app. Ad-free plans only. To download episodes of The Handmaid's Tale for offline viewing, you need to be subscribed to the Hulu No Ads plan, as this feature is only available to those with this plan. Here's how you can download it. Install the Hulu app. First, download and install the Hulu app on your mobile device, available on both iOS and Android. Log into your account. Open the Hulu app and log in with your Hulu No Ads credentials. Make sure you're on the ad-free plan, as this is required to access downloads. Search for The Handmaid's Tale. In the search bar, type in The Handmaid's Tale to find the show. Check for download icon. Not all episodes or seasons may be available for download, but if they are, you'll see a download icon, a downward arrow, next to the episode or season. Download the episode. Tap the download icon on the episode or season you want to save. The video will begin downloading. Watch offline. Once the download is complete, you can find the content in the download section of the Hulu app. Now you can watch The Handmaid's Tale without needing an internet connection. Note: downloads are only available for Hulu No Ads subscribers, and not all content may be available for download due to licensing restrictions. Option 2. Use Hulu with Live TV No Ads plan. If you're subscribed to Hulu Plus Live TV with the ad-free plan, you can also download The Handmaid's Tale for offline viewing. The process is the same as the regular Hulu app. Install the Hulu app. Download and install the Hulu app on your mobile device. Sign in. Log in with your Hulu Plus Live TV No Ads account. Search for The Handmaid's Tale. Find the show in the app. Look for the download icon. If available, you'll see a download icon next to the episode or season. Download and watch offline. Tap the download icon, and once the download finishes, go to the download section to watch offline. Option 3. Use screen recording, not recommended. If you don't have access to the ad-free plan and want to download The Handmaid's Tale, you could use a screen recording tool to capture the video as it plays on your device. While this method can work, it's not ideal due to potential quality loss and possible violation of Hulu's terms of service. Install screen recording software. Download a tool like OBS Studio, Camtasia, or Movavi. Play The Handmaid's Tale. Open Hulu in your browser or app and start playing the episode you want to record. Record the video. Start the screen recording tool to capture the video as it plays. Save the recording. Once the video is finished, stop the recording and save it to your computer. Note: this method could result in lower video quality, and using screen recording might violate Hulu's terms of service, so it's not recommended. Option 4. Third-party downloaders, not recommended. There are third-party downloaders that claim to allow you to download Hulu videos, including The Handmaid's Tale. However, these tools often bypass Hulu's official system, putting your device at risk for malware or security breaches. Warning: using third-party downloaders is not recommended because it violates Hulu's terms of service and could compromise your device's security. Conclusion: the best way to download The Handmaid's Tale for offline viewing is by subscribing to Hulu's No Ads plan and using the Hulu app. While you can use methods like screen recording or third-party downloaders, these come with risks like legal issues and poor video quality, so they're not recommended.